The sum of the parts are greater than the whole. Different types of customers, different types of markets, different strengths. Pulling this together really creates the advanced capabilities that we're promoting now as a single large hard service business for OCS, and a platform that we can really grow this business on now.
Well, seeing everybody in their OCS t-shirts has been great. I think that's a real statement of intent. Yeah, there's been a real buzz in the office, and I don't think that's just because of the free food or the volume of cupcakes on offer. I think my main takeaway from today is the fact that there are so many people who are on board with being part of the OCS family, and people who are interested in getting to know how they can get involved with things outside of their usual workplace. I guess that's the strength that we're going to get from coming together as one.
The most important thing to take away today is the coming together of the two businesses. I think the strength from both sides, combining these strengths together will make it a successful company going forward.
We're going to be successful by delivering all our values, but I think if we can unify these two businesses seamlessly, unity is the real thing that I want everyone to take away from today. And if we all believe in that, trust each other and empower each other to deliver, I think the atmosphere here has been absolutely fantastic. Real sense of excitement about the future.
The name over the door might be changing, but your team on the ground will remain the same, and we will just be stronger together.